Hello friends, welcome to my channel Backend Bytes by Pratik. So in this video we will discuss more about SQL commands. First of all, we will discuss about what do we mean by update command. Update command is used to modify or change the table data. Using update command, we can modify four things that are single value of single records, multiple value of single record, specific group of records, then all records. These four records that can be modified by the help of the update command. Now we have to discuss about syntax of update command. First of all, we will write update, then table name, then set, then the column name that should be modified equal to new value, then comma, then column name, then new value up to n number of column name. Means if we want to modify one column data, then we write one column name equal to one new value. If we want to modify n number of column name, then we write n number of column name equal to n number of value, then where clause, then condition, then semicolon. Now we have to take some examples of SQL query that can be solved by the help of the update command so that you can easily understand how update command performs. So first we take examples of a modifying single value of single record. So the query is increase 2000 rupees salary to the employee whose employee number is 7521. So how to solve this query? So first of all, we will write update, then we write the table name that is EMP, then we write the set, then we write the column name that should be modified that is salary equal to new value that is salary plus 2000, then we write the where clause, then we write the condition that is EMP number equal to 7521, then semicolon. So we write like this to get required result as a output. Now we have to take another example of a modifying multiple value of single record. So here the query is set job as manager, salary as 3000 to an employee whose employee number is 7369. So how to solve this query? So first of all we will write update, then we write the table name that is EMP, then we write set, then we write the column name that should be modified that is salary, that is job equal to manager. Here we use more than one column to modify. First we take job column equal to manager, comma, then we write another column name that is salary equal to 6000, then where clause, then condition that is EMP number equal to 7369, then semicolon. So we write like this to get required result as a output. Now we have to take another example of modifying specific group of records. So here the query is increase 20% on salary to all manager. So we write like this, that is update, then we write the table name that is employee, then we write the that is set, then we write the column name that should be modified that is salary equal to salary plus salary into 20%, that is 20 by 100. Then we write the condition where, then condition, the condition is job equal to manager, then semicolon, then semicolon. So we write like this to get required result as a output. Now we have to discuss another example of a modifying all records. So the query is increase 1000 rupees salary to all employees. So how to solve this query? So we write first update, then we write the table name that is EMP, then we write the column name that should be modified that is salary equal to salary plus 1000, then semicolon, because here no condition is taken. So we write like this to get required result as a output. Now we have to discuss about another concept, that is updating record using parameter concept. So here one question is arises, why we use parameter concept? Because by the help of the parameter concept we write the code less number of code. Means here three problem are arises. One query is increase the salary 10% of the employee number 7499, increase the salary 20% of employee number 7698, increase the salary 15% of employee number 7900. So here these are the three query. To solve this three query, we have to write the three query so that you can easily execute the query. But by the help of one query, you can solve this three problem. So this query, that is update, then table name emp, then set, then salary, the column that should be modified equal to new value, that is salary plus salary into n% divided by 100, then where clause, then condition employee number equal to n% employee number. Means here we have to take n%, because n% is a writing style of using parameter concept. After that you enter, then enter the value for percentage. Means what percentage increases of salary, then you write the 10%, that is 10%. Then enter the value for the employee number, which employee value should be salary should be increased. So you write 7499. After that you don't again write this query. After that you write slash. After entering the slash, the another time, and in the console box showing enter the value for 20, enter the value for percentage, you write 20%, and enter the value for employee number, you write the 7698. After that again you enter the slash, again you enter the value for 15, and enter the value for employee number 7900. So by the help of the one query, so by the help of the one query, that is this query, by the help of the one query you execute, you solve the three problems, so that you can write less number of code. Because parameter concept we use, why we use parameter concept? By the help of the parameter concept we write the less number of code, and by the help of a single code we solve n number of problem. After that we have to take another example, that is transfer all department number 10 employee number to department number 20. So how to solve this query? So we write like this. First we write update, then we write table name, that is emp, then we write set, then we write the column name that should be modified, that is department number equal to 20. After that we write the clause, where clause, then we write the condition, that is department number 20 10, then semicolon. So we write like this to get required result as a output. Now we have to solve another query, that is increase 10% on salary, 20% on commission to the employee who are getting commission. Here a new concept is arises, that is null and is not null concept. Means the employee who are getting commission, means the employee whose commission is not null. If null, then the employee are not getting commission. So the execution query, that is has to write update, then emp, that is table name, then set salary. Salary means the column name that should be modified. Then the new value, that is salary into 0.1, that is 10%. Then commission, another column name that should be modified equal to commission plus commission into 0.2, that is 20%. After that we write the where clause, then we write the condition, that is commission is not null. Now we have to solve another query, that is set commission as 900 to the employee number who are not getting commission. Means here we use is null, because if commission is null, means the employee not getting commission. So how to solve this query? We have to write like this, like update, then table name, that is emp, then set, then the column name, that is commission that should be modified 900, then where clause, then condition, that is commission is null. Now we have to take another example, that is set the commission as null to the employee whose employee number are 76736976987788. So here we have to use a important special operator, that is in operator. Is null operator and is not null operator is also special type of operator. So what do you mean by special type of operator? I already discussed in the previous session. So please go through this video so that you can easily understand what do you mean by special type of operator, and all that special type of operator that should be discussed in the previous session. So how to solve this query? So we write like this, like first update, then table name, that is emp, then we write set, then the column name that should be modified, that is commission equal to new value, that is null. Then we write the clause, that is where clause. After that we write the condition, that is employee number. Then we write the in operator, that is a special type operator, then 736976987788. So here we have to discuss a important point that should be remember, that is for null comparison we have to use is null operator. For null assignment we use equal to operator. So this is the important point you must remember. Now we have to discuss another query, that is increase 10% on salary to the employee whose annual salary is more than 30,000. So how to solve this query? So first of all we will write update command. First we write update command, then employee number, then employee, that is table name, then we write the column name that should be modified, that is salary equal to salary plus salary into 10 by 100, that is 10%, then where clause, then condition, that is salary is more than 30,000, salary greater than 30,000. So we can write like this, update emp set salary equal to salary plus 10 by 100 for 10%, where salary um, is greater than 30,000, then semicolon. So we can write like this to get required result as output. Now we have to write another example, that is increase 15% on salary to the employee who are having more than 42 years experience. So how to solve this query? We write like this, like update, then table name, that is emp, then set, then the column name that should be modified, that is salary equal to new value, that is salary plus salary into 0.15 means 15%. Then we write the where clause, then we write the trunk, then sys date minus hire date whole divided by 365 greater than 42 means this is the calculating method to find out the this is the calculating method to find out the experience. How to calculate the experience? By the help of this formula we can calculate the experience. We can calculate the experience. So we can write like this to get required result as output. Now we have to execute those query in the SQL Plus so that you can practically feel that the query output is true or not. So for that reason, open SQL Plus, run SQL command line. Now connect, then enter system name in my device. System name is username is system, then password is 1234. Then hit enter. Successfully connected. Then set pages 200. then set lines 200. Now check EMP table is available or not in our database. Select star from EMP. Successfully data showing and data already available in our database. Now we have to execute one by one all the query to showing our theory and practical is matched or not. First query, that is increase 2000 rupees salary to the employee whose employee number is 7521. So we write like this, like update, then table name, that is EMP, then set, then salary equal to salary plus 2000, then where clause, then condition EMP number equal to 7521, then semicolon, then hit enter. One row updated. Now we have to check which row is updated. For that we have to write select star from EMP. So in the previous data, the employee number 7521, the salary is the employee number, that is 7521, and the salary is employee number, that is 7521, and the salary is 1250. After the execute this query, the salary of the employee 7521, that is after increasing the 2000 rupees, the salary of employee number 7521, that is 3250, 3250. Now we have to execute the another query, that is set the job as manager, salary is at 6000 to an employee whose employee number is 7369. So how to execute query? We have to write like this, like update EMP set job equal to manager, then comma, then salary equal to 6000, then where employee number equal to 7369, 7369, then hit enter. One row updated. Now we have to check which row updated. So the employee number is 7369. In the previous data, the employee number 7369 position, job position is that is 7369. The job position is clerk and name Smith, and like salary is how much salary? 800. After the execution of query, the employee number 7369, job position clerk changes to manager, and salary changes to 800 to 6000. Now we have to execute the next query, that is increase 20% on salary to all manager. So how we write like this? We write like this, like update EMP set salary, equal to salary plus salary into 20%, 20 by 100. Then all manager, where job equal to manager, then semicolon, then hit enter. Zero row updated, because here I made a mistake in spelling mistake. Job name equal to manager, then hit enter. Four row updated. So we have to check which four rows are updated. For that we have to execute the select star from EMP. So four rows updated. In the previous session, the salary of a manager changes to 20%. In the previous section, salary of manager is 6000, all manager. 756 is manager 2975. So we have to check some job position manager salary increases 20%. 6,000 to 20%, 6,000, 20% of 6,000, that is 7200. Then manager, that is John, that is also increased at 3570. So all the manager data are increased. Now we have to execute the another query, that is increase the 1,000 rupee salary to all employee. So how to execute this query? So we write like this, like update emp, then update emp set salary equal to salary plus 1,000, salary plus 1,000, then semicolon, then hit enter. 21 rows are updated, means all rows are updated. So to check this query, we have to, so 21 rows are updated means all 21 employee salary increased by 1,000. Previous data, the salary of a manager, employee name Smith, that is 7200. In this data, that increases and converted into 8200. All the data should be changes. Now we have to execute another query, that is using parameter concept. So how to solve this query? So that is update emp, update emp set salary equal to salary plus salary into n% divided by 100, then where clause, then employee number equal to n% employee number, n% employee number, then semicolon, n% employee number, then semicolon, then hit enter. Enter the value for percentage. We have to enter 10%. Enter the value for employee number. We have to write 7499. One row updated. Now we have to check the salary of the employee whose employee number is 7499. So we have to write the like this, like select. So after checking, we have to execute the another query. For that, you have to enter the slash, then enter value for percentage, that is 20%. After that, value for employee number, that is 7698. Then enter one row updated. After that, hit enter. For third problem, enter the value for the percentage, that is 15%. Then enter the value for employee number, that is 7900. Then enter one row updated. So three rows are updated, three rows are updated. For showing that data, we have to execute that query, that is select star from emp. So in the previous data, employee number, in the previous data, employee number 7499, the salary is 2600. After that, the employee number salary is 2860, means 10% salary is increase. In the previous data, 749, in the previous data, 7499, 7 in the 7900, in the previous data 7900, James salary is 10950. After the 15% salary increase, the data should be increased. After the 15% data should be increased, the salary of James, that is 2242.5, means 15% salary increase. Now we have to execute the another query, that is transfer all the department number to department number 10 to department 20. So how to solve this query? So we write like this, update emp set salary set department number equal to 20 where department number equal to 10, then semicolon, then hit enter. Three rows are updated. So which three rows are updated? For that you have to write select star from emp, then hit enter. So in the previous data, the 10 employee number means department number 10 means clerk department number 10, clerk department number 10, then miller position clerk department number 10, then three data black clerk, three data are changes. So in the next data, all 10 data are converted into 20, means clerk, that is manager position, that is changes to 20. All the 10 department number converted into 20. Now we have to execute the next query, that is employee increase 10% on salary and 20% on commission, the employee number who are getting commission. So how to solve this query? So we have to write like this: update emp. So we have to write like this, like update, then emp, that is table name, then we have to write set, then salary equal to salary into 0.1, that is 10%, then comma, then commission equal to commission plus commission into 0.2, then where clause, then commission is not null, then semicolon, hit enter. 6 rows are updated. Now we have to check the query, check the table, that is select star from emp, means 10%, 20% who are is not null, commission getting commission. So here successfully you showing 6 rows data are updated, means 6 data are updated, the who are getting commission. So in the previous data commission is, so in the previous data commission is 300, 500, 1400, 12,000, 1200, 100, 578. In the next data 300 comes to 360, 500 increases and converted to 500 data increases and converted into 600, all the commission that should be increased. Now we have to execute the another query, that is set the commission as 900 to the employee who are getting commission. So how to solve this query? So we have to write like this, like update emp, so we have to write like update emp set commission equal to 900, where commission is null, commission is null, then semicolon, then hit enter. 15 rows are selected. Now we have to write select star from emp. So you successfully saw that set commission 900, means 900 commission, like all the data, the employee who are not taking commission, that converted into 900 as a commission. You easily saw that 900 commission are automatically created. Now we have to check another query, that is set the commission as null, employee number is 7369769877, 88. So how to solve this query? We have to write like this: update emp set commission equal to null, where employee number in 7369 comma 7698 comma 7788. Three rows are selected. Three rows are updated. Now we have to check the employee number. Update employee number set commission equal to null. So in case of employee number 7369, in case of employee number 7369, commission is null. In case of 7698 commission is null. In case of the employee number 7788, 7788, the commission is null. So in case of three employee number, commission is null. Now we have to execute the another query, that is increase 10% on salary to the employee whose annual salary is more than 30,000. So how to solve this query? So we have write like this: update emp set salary equal to salary plus salary into 10 by 100, then where clause, then salary greater than 30,000, then semicolon, then hit enter. For rows are updated. Now we have to write select star from emp. So in the previous data, more than salary, like 15,000, 51,000, 51,000, 51,000, 51,000, like four employee salary more than 51,000. Now this salary of this employee, that is increases 10%. That is for employee. Now we have to check the for employee salary is increase or not. We successfully shown that 51,000 increases to 56,100, 56,100. All the for 51,000 salary employee increases to 56,100. Now we have to execute the next and the last query. That is increase 15% salary on the employee who are having more than 42-year experience. How to solve this query? We have to Now we have to solve this query. We write like this, like update emp set salary into 15%, that is 15 by 100, then where condition, then where trunk sys date, that is current date, minus higher date, whole divided by 365, that is day of a year, greater than 42, then hit semicolon, then hit enter, is in parenthesis. In case where I made a mistake, like update emp set salary equal to salary into, after the 365, close the bracket. 12 rows are updated, means 12 employee was um, 12 employee was age is was experience is 42 years experience. So now we have to check select star from emp, select star from emp. So in the previous data, 42 years, in the previous data, in case of a previous data, the commission, job manager salary, salary in the previous data. This is the table, and after the firing this inquiry, the data is changes. Like all the salary, maximum salary are changes. Means 15 data are updated. Means 15 employee worked in a company with age or experience is more than 42 years, and these data are increased. So successfully we completed the update command. So this is enough for today. In the next session, we will discuss about delete command. So please watch this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.